Hello, my name is Maggie Thompson. I'm a physics student here at the University of Oregon, and this poster mainly discusses how facilities like Pine Mountain Observatory can be an awesome hub for science outreach, as well as a great tool to get the public engaged with science through fully immersive programming. Pine Mountain Observatory is owned and operated by the University of Oregon in the Deschutes National Forest and has two main equally important goals. The first goal is focused on undergraduate research, as we want to prepare students for both graduate school and the professional world. PMO's second goal is to really promote science outreach. This is done through public nights and also immersive programming like the Girl Scouts Astronomy Destination Camp I'll be going into more detail about in this presentation. The Destination Camp is a collaborative effort between the SETI Institute, Girl Scouts, Pine Mountain Observatory, and is funded with a grant from NASA. It brings high school age girls interested in STEM careers to the observatory to help them develop their outdoor skills while also helping them to gain confidence and inspiration to continue their interest in STEM. This program takes place over a week where the girls are at the observatory and we host a lot of various activities. The first main type of activity is to help them develop their STEM knowledge, and this is done through discussion-based activities like learning about optics, constellations, data reduction, but also through more hands-on activities like instrument use. For example, they had practice building Galileo telescopes as well as operating the Planewave 14-inch research telescope that undergraduates get to use. The girls also work to develop their outdoor skills through hiking, camping, outdoor cooking every day, and geocaching. And then lastly, we wanted to help them develop more of their science leadership. So the first thing that we did was through cohort building by providing more fun activities to help the girls develop a community with each other so that in the future they could kind of have a group that they could fall back on for encouragement. We also wanted to get them more experience with the scientific method. And the main way that we did this was through having them keep a journal where they could record things they were curious about, things they observed, and things they learned, which kind of encapsulates a large part of the spirit of the scientific process, which is kind of recording through observation. And then lastly, we wanted to encourage them to continue their interest in STEM. So we had peer mentoring activities, mainly run by me, to give them sort of a positive female influence that they could ask questions to, including asking about what it was like to be a female studying STEM. And then also throughout the week, they could ask UO staff about what it means to be a scientist and what that looks like in their future. From this program, we had both short-term and long-term results. For example, you can see in Figure 6 that a lot of the Girl Scouts gained confidence in their new knowledge by the end of the week, so they became more involved in public nights by operating telescopes and talking with the public about what they had learned over the week. But there were also long-term benefits. So for example, one of the girls from the 2019 destination camp actually contacted us and asked for raw data so that she could work on it kind of on her own, which really shows that she was still passionate about astronomy and the data months after the program. And then additionally, one of the girls from the 2018 destination camp asked Dr. Fisher, the observatory director, to zoom into her science class and kind of talk about astronomy. Um, these are all very anecdotal kind of results, but in the future, we are hoping to get more quantitative data through surveys so that we can try and see if there's a correlation between activities and changing activities, and see if there's a correlation between that and changes in how satisfied the girls are with the program after it ends. So thank you.